it's Donnie here from Drift Bums, and we have gotten a package in from HR Headlight Restoration, and we're gonna restore the headlights on my 350Z before going up to Jersey. So this package, though, it is everything I need to fix headlights and get them all sorted up back to brand new. We've got all the sandpaper for sanding the headlights. We got polishing pads. We got more pads over here. Polisher, a sander, a nice creeper to wheel around on. I'll flip the camera, a nice bag to put everything in. So we got a little bit of everything. I'll flip the camera around and show you guys. I have gotten all the stuff from HR opened up, and we got our product here, all of our step 1 backing pads and pads. We got all of our step 2 and 3 stuff. We got a brand new polisher, nice new hand sander to go with all the sanding paper for when you gotta really get the clear coat off the lights. We've got a nice new creeper here. I gotta put the wheels on it still. We got some more product in that box. We got a sick carry case for everything to go inside of to keep it all organized. Bunch of microfibers. We've got our banner for authorized dealer, and we got another authorized location sticker there on the windshield or window of our location. We got all of our wet sandpaper here as well as some warranty cards, pre-made, ready to go for all the vehicles. Got all of our HR products now unboxed. I'm just gonna quickly go over my headlights again. These have already been done with the HR Headlight Restoration product. They're about 3 years old now, so I'm gonna re-hit them again just with some 800, get all the yellowing off the headlights, get everything cleaned up, and then I'll hit it with the step 1, 2, and 3 to get it back to how they were before. So since it's a brand new pad, it's definitely gonna eat up some product off the start. So I already put some on the headlight. We're on our step 1 product. Getting a little bit on there. It's definitely just gonna soak up quite a bit into a pad. Used pads, definitely the way to go, but we'll make this one break in real quick. Start the polisher all the way on 1. From what I was told, these polishers are quite strong, so I shouldn't have to go much more than like speed 2 or so on it. Switching over to our step 2 pad now. So I'm gonna run some step 1 product on the step 2 pad. Just, it helps get out any fine scratches that you may have missed with the step 1 pad. So I'll throw a little on there, get that on there, and now I'll jump onto the step 2 on here, and we'll be good to go. Have our step 2 product on there, get on the light, work it in the same as we've been doing with the step 1, and then we'll one more step after our step 2 and we'll be done these bad boys. Step 3 out now, last final top coat for the headlight. Just get that top coat on these 2 lights, get them protected for another few years. Headlights now fully done, back to brand new. As you can see, no more yellowing on them, no more scratching. All protected again for another few years. And real quick and easy. That took me probably 10 minutes to clean up both headlights, get them back to brand new. Real quick, real easy. Normally also you would tape off the car, but once again, this is a drift car. It is going to be hit. Stuff is going to happen to it. So we just care about it aesthetically looking good for pictures and everything like that. So headlights all brand new, nothing on them, factory lens again, ready to look good again.